So here is an important message to you, which some students consider an inconvenient truth. I'd like to take a moment to emphasize how important it is for you to be fully engaged in this. Binge watching video after video is of course a good start, but it's not enough to really ensure that the information sticks with you and sticks in your brain. So for maximum benefit from this masterclass, I recommend dedicating time and effort, not just to understanding the material, but also to implement what you learn. And you do this by something we all know, but what we often don't want to hear because of life and because of everything you have to do in your life: reflection and, most importantly, practice. And so why am I saying this? Because I am just like you. We're all extremely busy with our personal lives, perhaps different income streams that you need to set up and maintain, life as an entrepreneur and everything else around it. And I'm not saying that you won't take anything out of this course if you do not practice and take time in between the lectures. But I do know this, and this is by personal experience. If you want to end this masterclass, not just with the knowledge about how to build your courses, but also with the actual first course product on the shelves, ready to sell, or at least your course outline, I recommend you take some time between the lessons to really think about your next steps based on these teachings, and to put it into practice, of course, in the assignments. And don't worry, these assignments are simple. You can do them fast, but they are really an important part of this journey. They generally look something like this. So these assignments are designed to help you understand the material better, apply what you've learned, and see how the concepts work in practice. Think of these assignments as a way to test drive the knowledge that you're acquiring. It's like learning to swim. You can't learn it simply by reading a book or watching videos. At some point, at a certain point, you really need to get into the water. Also, actively participating allows you to reflect on the material, ask questions, and start meaningful conversations with your fellow participants. So this course is not just about gaining knowledge, it's also about growing through shared experiences and insights. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to this masterclass fully. Don't just watch it. Participate actively. Engage with the material. Complete the assignments and really dive into this learning experience. And trust me, the rewards will be worth it, because you will, at the very least, end up with your first real product that you can sell over and over and over again. I would say that that in itself is already worth the effort, right? So to use an overused phrase, remember that the path to creating successful online courses is not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. This masterclass is designed to provide you with all the tools that you need, but it's up to you to use them effectively. So make the most of this opportunity, dive in, get involved, and let's make your dream of creating a successful online course a reality. And I promise you, you really can do this. See you in the next video.